The Nightfox Cape is a digital night vision binocular which has the ability to record video fast and easily with its one-button recording feature. It is optimised for tactical helmet mounting thanks to its 1x optical magnification, 2x digital zoom and a covert infrared LED. In the box you'll find a manual, a neck strap, a GoPro style mount, and in the carry case you'll find the Nightfox Cape, a lens cap and a mini USB cable. So let's get started. Place 2 new AA alkaline or lithium batteries in each compartment. Each battery's negative side should be touching the springs. To turn on, long press the power button until the viewing screen illuminates. The Nightfox Cape uses a micro SD card to record a maximum of 32GB of footage. This icon indicates that no SD card has been installed. The port can be found just above the eyepiece. With the pins facing down, push your micro SD card into the slot until it clicks. You will now see this icon to indicate that it has been installed correctly. Videos will save automatically onto it. To release a card, push it again. You can adjust the image focus by turning the lens at the front of your device. The replaceable lens caps protect the Cape's 2 lenses. The Cape can be used with or without the caps attached. To see at night, press the IR button. Repeatedly press the IR button to scroll through 7 levels of brightness, from 0 to 7 and back to 0. Press this button to adjust the viewing screen backlight. There are 8 brightness levels. The Cape will remember your chosen level when you next use the device. Press the zoom button to operate the 2x digital zoom. Hold the button down for a quicker scroll through. To start the one-button recording, simply press the OK button. A recording icon will appear at the top of the screen. To stop recording, press the OK button again. You can review your videos on the Nightfox itself. To access the video gallery, press the Mode button once. Use the Zoom and IR button to scroll through the menu. Press OK to play the selected video from the menu. The length of the video can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. To download your footage onto a computer, use the mini USB cable provided. The USB port can also be found above the eyepiece next to the card slot. With the Nightfox turned off, connect the cable to your computer. In Windows, navigate to your File Explorer and your videos will appear in a folder for you to import. To delete a video, select Delete from the menu and follow the prompts. From playback mode, press the Mode button again to reach the Setting menu. Use the Zoom and IR button to scroll through the menu. Format SD erases everything on your installed memory card. The second prompt will give you a chance to cancel if you're not sure. Power Save configures the Nightfox to turn off after a certain period of non-use if required. To input the correct date and time on your device, press the OK button on each option and use the Zoom and IR button to scroll to the desired number. For flicker, select 60 Hz for optimum performance. The LCD backlight option is another way to change the brightness of the screen. Use the Zoom or IR button to increase or decrease the brightness. Enabling the date and time tag will show a visible timestamp on your videos, and selecting version will display the software version installed. The included mount is a GoPro standard size and connects to the top of the Nightfox. Simply slot it on and tighten the screw. Third-party helmet adapters designed to work with a GoPro camera will also work with the Cape. To attach the included neck strap, ensure the plastic fastening is right side up. Feed the strap from the outside in through the tether points on each side of the device. Create some slack by pulling the strap upwards in the middle of the plastic fastener. This will create a loop. Pull both ends tightly to fix down the strap in the fastener. To turn the device off, long press the power button.